There's two ways to enable flashlight on Motorola Edge 50 Neo. The first one is to swipe down your finger from top of the screen and then swipe to the right so that we can find the flashlight. It's right here. You can click on it to enable or disable flashlight. The second way is with a gesture, and to do that we'll need to access our settings, then look for the gestures, open it, and right here we'll be able to find the fast flashlight. You can activate it, then perform 2 chopping motions with your phone in your hand, and let's try that. It's a bit tricky, but after some time you'll get used to it and you can enable it and disable it that way. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.